Listen up. Today, this isn't just an unboxing. Today is a game. And this game could end with you getting a real watch from my collection. Yeah, this time, not one winner, 5 winners. And the prizes are not random. These are real watches I already built or was planning to sell. You can see them on screen right now. One of them could be yours. But this time the rules are different, and honestly, way more interesting. I need your help. I want to give these dials real names, strong names, not just girl, space, car. Names like paintings, like art, like something you'd see in a gallery. For example, The Last Signal from Mars, Midnight Rider, The Girl Who Saw the UFO. You get the level? Now the rules. Pay attention, this part matters. Every dial in this video has a number. Your job? Pick the ones you actually like, and write in the comments the number and 1 to 3 name ideas. Very important. 1 to 3 names in one comment. Don't drop 20 names in one message. Better 1 to 3 strong ones. Example, number 12, The Last Signal. Number 37, Moonlight Escape. Number 58, Silence Before Launch. But you can leave more comments with new ideas, different dials. And here's where it gets interesting. Likes on your comments stack. So the more strong ideas you post, the more likes you can collect. Simple logic. More good ideas equals higher chance to win. And yeah, send this video to your friends. Let them come in and like your comment. Now, how winners are chosen. We've got 5 categories. Most creative, funniest, most accurate, my personal pick, audience choice, most likes. Final system, 3 winners based on likes. 2 winners, I choose myself. So even if you don't get many likes, if your idea is strong, you can still win. Now the bonus, and this one matters. The best names I'm actually going to use. On watches, in titles, in thumbnails, in eBay listings. And if I use your name, I'll credit you. So this isn't just a comment, you're actually becoming part of the project. Now the most important part, the results. I'll announce the winners in the next video, but only when this video hits 1,000 likes and 500 comments. As soon as we hit that, I'll drop the next video, go through the best ideas, announce all 5 winners, and ship the prizes. So if you want results faster, do 3 things. Like the video, drop a comment, send it to a friend. And now, this is important. Watch carefully, don't skip, because among these dials, there are some that deserve a genius name, and those are the ones that win. Think of it like this. You're not on YouTube. You're in a gallery, and you have to name a painting. Short, strong, emotional. Don't overthink it. Sometimes your first idea is the best one. Drop your ideas in the comments. Let's see who really has taste. Let's go. Alright, we made it to the end. If you watched this far, you already get it. These aren't just random images. There are some seriously strong pieces here, and some of these dials deserve a powerful name. And maybe one of those names will come from you. Quick reminder, pick the dials you like, drop the number, and give 1 to 3 name ideas in one comment. Want better chances? Post more ideas in new comments. And don't forget, likes on your comments stack. That means every strong idea you drop gets you closer to winning. And yeah, you've seen the prizes. These are real watches. Now the important part. Hits 1,000 likes and 500 comments. So if you want results faster, you already know what to do. Like the video, drop a comment, send it to a friend. And one more thing, don't just skip through. Go back, look at the dials again, pay attention to the details. Sometimes the best idea doesn't come right away, and those are the ones that actually win. I'm really curious to see what you come up with, because some of these pieces deserve something special. And let's be real, someone here is going to drop a name I didn't expect at all. Those are the winners. Drop your ideas below, I read everything. And I'll see you in the next video where I pick the best ones and announce the winners. Let's go.